In this video, we'll show you how to change the turn signal switch on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Lower the steering wheel to remove the adjustment handle. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry it out of its slot. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry on the upper plastic trim so that it can be unclipped from the side of the turn signal switch. You can also use a car trim removal tool to help you. Still using the same tool, remove the corner from the gear shift lever. Then unclip the plastic trim on the gear shift lever side. You can now remove the plastic trim.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Using a ratchet and a Torx T25 socket, unscrew the first switch retaining screw. Turn the steering wheel to access the second screw. You can unscrew it with a T25 Torx wrench. Then, move the switch aside. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the tabs holding the connectors in place. You can now remove the turn signal switch. You can order the turn signal switch used in the video from CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new turn signal switch and plug it in. Put it back in its place. Then screw the two retaining screws back in. Put the lower trim back in place. Put the cover back on the gear shift lever. Put the upper trim back in place. Put the adjustment handle back in place. Operation complete.